Like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Pattaya Media Group, by using the link below. Despite vaccination programs and the Omicron variant of COVID being described as a flu-like virus, the number of deaths in Thailand attributed to COVID have been steadily rising, 88 on Monday and 84 on Sunday, with the ages of those who succumbed between 18 and 90. Figures listed by the CCSA daily do not include clinical procedures. For ATK testing, only PCR, so ignoring some 15,000 extra cases a day. Isolated but extremely heavy storms are predicted for today and the rest of the week for most of the country, as a tropical depression approaches from the Bay of Bengal. 3-metre high waves are expected in the Andaman Sea and in the Gulf, where all small boats have been told to remain on the shoreline, and swimming is not recommended. Forensic technicians inspecting the wreckage of an F19 Thai Airforce jet, which crashed this month in Chaiyaphum, have initially determined that the pilot who survived was in good physical condition and had no substances illegally in his blood, leaving system errors the only logical cause. The pilot ejected just before the crash, and before that he'd been simulating a dogfight. As we all concentrate on COVID, the forgotten child is without doubt dengue fever. The Department of Disease Control is predicting more cases than is common for this year, reporting that to date we've already seen 50% of the combined total of cases last year. Only paracetamol is recommended for those who catch it, and anyone suspecting that they have dengue fever should without doubt seek medical help. Spraying around the home aside, as always it's best to make sure that stagnant water isn't gathering in pots or gullies during the rain, as that's the breeding ground for the larvae. Any pots with water, put small fish in them. They eat the larvae and reduce your mozzie count. On our video news available at our website and on Facebook, we feature the moment when a snake catcher nearly came a cropper when catching a vicious cobra in Canterbury. The reptile, over 3 metres long, was in no mood to play when cornered in a garage. At one point the snake chased the catcher, flaring up and ready to bite, but in the end it was finally captured and released into the wilds. And there's a reminder that if you do find a snake in your home, call emergency services. Snake removal is free of charge in Thailand. Meanwhile, at home and in our own region, the province this morning reported 1,420 new cases of COVID within a 24-hour period. 274 in Chonburi, 475 in Sriracha, 295 in Banglamung and 118 in Sattahip. Nationally, in the same period, 21,382 new cases, with 24,824 released from quarantine. But in the same period, another 83 deaths attributed to the virus. And with the Met Office promising highs today of 31, dropping down to 27, a hot and humid day with the promise of storms. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Pattaya Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme,